Hello, welcome class 10. We study about your chapter of the board, carbon and its compound, that is a covalent bonding taking place in the place. So where there is covalent bonding take place between two or more atoms, we call it as a covalent bonding. Covalent bonding are nothing but the share of electrons between two electrons. Now we will study with the help of the chlorine molecule how the sharing of electrons takes place between the covalent bonding form between atoms by sharing of electrons. What is? By sharing of electrons. Means they will share among themselves to form the covalent bond, and covalent bonds are very stable. Please mind more what covalent bonds are or covalent compounds are very stable. Now we'll study. अभी हमें पढ़ेंगे क्लोरीन से पढ़ेंगे कैसा स्टेबिलिटी. तो क्लोरीन का क्या एटॉमिक नंबर कितना है? यस 17. फर्स्ट ऑर्बिट में कितना जाएगा इलेक्ट्रॉन? सब सेल में 2. सेकेंड में कितना जाएगा? 8 and 17. So 287. 17 is the atomic number of chlorine, right? It is one of the halogens. Now we say sharing of electrons between the two chlorine means in the chlorine molecule there are two. Now let's take about the first chlorine and the second chlorine. How the sharing will take place. Now in the first case, how much is the third? Valence electron is how much here? 7. So it has got 2, 4, 6, 7. And it has got 2, 4, 6, 7. The sharing means C here. 7. So it has to satisfy 8 to make it stable. इसको stable बनने के लिए valence electron में कितना चाहिए maximum? 8 electrons. पर यहाँ पर 7 है, दोनों ही में 7 है because those are chlorine atoms. So यहाँ पर क्या करेंगे हम लोग शेयरिंग करेंगे. शेयरिंग देखो कैसा होता है. 7 है, 2, 4, 6, 7, right? First of all, you make it pairing 2, 4, 6, 7. Finish. Now they will share. You see, sharing will take place from like this one here, okay? Like this one here. ये इनसे बोला मेरा इलेक्ट्रॉन थोड़ा देना मेरे को शेयरिंग करने के लिए, and we will jointly make a start up the business. Now this will say, you please give me your outermost valence electron. We will form a compound or a business to set up entrepreneurs. Now see it here. See here. 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 7, 1, 8. Satisfied? 2, 4, 6, 7, 1, 8. Satisfied? It will form now the bonding. Chlorine has got how many? These are called non-bonding electrons because these are not taking part in the bond form. 2, 4, 6. So they will exist as a non-bonding electron in a pairing form, right? In the pairing form. And these two electrons, you know that when the electron will combine, when two of the electron combine, it forms single bond. So here the single bond will form. और यहाँ पर क्या होगा आपका single bond formation होने लगेगी. फिर यहाँ पर पहले कितना था इलेक्ट्रॉन? 3 pairs. 2, 4, 6. Finish. Now they form a double bond. And these are called the non-bonding electrons. Please mind. 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6. These are called non-bonding. Why these are called non-bonding electrons? Non-bonding pair of electron. Pair of electrons means ये इलेक्ट्रॉन पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करेंगे बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन में. ठीक है. फिनिश. दे विल नॉट टेक पार्ट इन द. और आपको क्या बनाएंगे फिर यहाँ पर चल के फॉर्मेशन ऑफ क्लोरीन मॉलिक्यूल. दिस आर कॉल्ड द डॉट स्ट्रक्चर. इसे कहते हैं हम क्या बोलते हैं हम इसे? डॉट स्ट्रक्चर. तो वी हैव लर्न द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ क्लोरीन. ठीक है. बाय यूजिंग द डॉट स्ट्रक्चर. I hope you got it. Please pause and copy it. Okay, then subscribe my channel and share with your friends and all, and press the bell icon. Thank you.